Sorry for interrupting you. Before I
No.
forget, I met a Christian pastor in Uganda.
Mhm.
In Uganda, very famous guy, very well known. I debated him a couple of times, and we had a drive for 6 hours from northern Uganda to the city of Kampala, to the capital in Uganda. So we had 6 hours with him in the same car, and we went for him. Debate 6 hours we're debating, and every corner he was coming from, we gave him answers. Finally, shakes up. He said, "You know what? I put my hands up. Islam is the truth." Islam is the truth, and I know Islam is the truth. I know deep inside, I know Islam is the truth. But tell me, you Muslim, I have 2 wives, and you know why he's famous in Uganda? Because he has 2 wives. He's the only Christian pastor who promotes polygamy in Uganda. He's very well known. He's in newspapers. Okay, he said, "I have 2 wives. I need 2 houses. My church has given me 2 houses. They give my children's fees. They provide with me all the basic necessities. Will you Muslims take care of me if I leave my position in the church? Will you
No
Muslims do
way.
anything?" We
No
went
way.
quiet. All of us, we went quiet. He said, "You see, now you know why I'm a pastor. Now you know why I'm a pastor."
Same with this cult,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Yeah.
Same with this
Yeah.
cult. How? If they will
Yeah.
go in a factory, if they will go anywhere to do that, one $10, $15 per hour, they will get the job. And they have to do up 8 hour, 12 hour physical work. What do you think these murabbis will do? Not at all. But at the same time, this cult provide them everything. And now what they should speak, they should talk with Adnan and Imtiaz the truth. They should accept their logic. No way. What you are expecting?